C4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's 1994 model year, Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Clean Carfax, no accents indicated. Just a touch over 22,900 is all. So low mile C4, torch red, red interior, 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood. Take a look at the front fascia on this one. Paint on the hood, it's not all full of nicks, dings, scratches, chips. Of course, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, automatic transmission with overdrive. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down. All the still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding more of a C5 chrome style wheel. It's like Continental radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see this car is really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Of course, manual top on these. I'll show you how easy they are to fold up and fold back down. There's the bucket seats. Red on red, black vinyl top. The window sticker as well as the owner's manual will go along with this vehicle. On the window stickers, you will note it did have the Delco Bose stereo CD and cassette player system to it. Power driver's seat. There's a good look at the rear of the car. Dual exhaust, of course. And again, paint showing very well in this one. Power antenna works. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Couple notes from the technician that looked at this one in the service department. Mentioned serpentine belt, great shape. Car brakes straight, four-wheel disc brakes. Brakes are 75% in the front, 55% in the rear. It's one of those cars, turnkey, get in it and go, have some fun. A lot of bang for the buck, these C4s too, the performance of them. Fun to drive, and you can get into the Corvette world or classic car hobby without breaking the bank. And if you like Corvettes, no matter what series, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Get rid of that door chime real quick. So obviously your modern amenities with power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Give you a look at the leather seating surface here. Tilt column, cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. All right, so 22,969, if you can see that, it's kind of bright. There you go, 22,969. Just so you know, steering column, nice and firm. Hasn't been used to climb in and out of the car. If you're familiar with these, I'll go through a couple other things too that are very nice in this car. Dash looks good. Stereo system. Little Lonesome George singing to you. Stereo system working. Sounds as you would expect. Alright, one thing I do want to do. Headlamp. Have that passenger side. A little bit of a click, it'll go on and then quit. But headlamps are working. Let me show you underneath the hood here also. Couple of other things to note on this. Above the door here, Not too bad a shape. And then the actual weather stripping here, not bad shape at all either. Definitely seen worse on C4s. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds like you'd expect. Pretty stock 5.7 liter LT1 sound. All right, underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. Tires are in nice shape. They look like they are newer. I can look at the date code on those too quick. And check out that convertible top. Again, AC blows cold, power steering, power brakes, AC. Pretty clean engine bay. All right, let me go ahead and get the tripod set up here. And let's check out this convertible top, how it works, and the condition of it. And convertible top up. As you can see, very simple to fold up latch. One person can do it all by themselves rather quickly. Besides, side glass, nice fit. And again, kind of a, like I said, black vinyl, I guess you would, maybe black fabric. Nice tight fit above the windshield. No rips, tears, holes. You need it to keep you out of the sun or dry. It's gonna work just fine. Glass, rear window, electric defog, and over here on the passenger side, nice tight fit with the side glass again, and no rips, tears, or holes. I think this convertible top has probably spent more time down than it has up. And I will show you how easy it is to fold it back down into the storage area, just like I showed you putting it up. So stick around a little bit longer, then Jason's gonna take for a drive. Show us how this thing drives out. 1994 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Clean Carfax, low miles, torch red. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 1994 Chevrolet Corvette. Believe it or not, I'm looking at it, the odometer saying 22,967 miles. Less than 23,000 miles currently on this car, according to the digital odometer. Beautiful, striking red and black, especially the interior. Red carpet seats and portions of the door panel. Very nice acceleration, just what you'd expect from a Corvette. The year with the nice fat steering wheel, one of those years. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Stereo sounds great. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. That speedometer is digital, and the fuel gauge also digital, showing completely full. The oil pressure is showing about 55 psi. The oil temperature is just coming up from the bottom of the gauge. Engine temperature about 190, right where you like to see it, and the volts are charging over 14 volts. Did I mention this is a convertible? I don't think I did. We have the top up today on this soft top convertible Corvette. Nice rumble coming out with the exhaust. Corners the way a Corvette should. Corvettes, you always just want to keep pushing those G-forces till you feel it slide. Very grippy in the corners. One of the funnest things though is just that bright red interior. Check out all the pictures of this 94 Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.